Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So as you can see, I'm looking at underneath the frame, and we've got all the suspension that's typically here is removed. It's actually in here doing some frame repairs and doing some V-brace modifications from the factory. So what I wanted to talk about in here is a lot of people will come in and we're doing either a wheel bearing pack maintenance, or we're doing some frame repairs, and you'll see on different other videos where we're pointing out like, hey, your leaf spring is bouncing around in this area. So this is a spring hanger, and this is a V-brace support bracket that we've been installing. That's to beef up this area and also to help prevent the spring hangers from ripping off the coach or from twisting side to side. So when we install these V-braces, they're ordered from LCI. They have holes in them to to make sure that no water gets inside there. If it does, it can escape. But they're welded on both sides, and then they're stitch welded on the opposite of each side to support this hanger. Now, when you come in and you have a leaf spring that has a worn out bushing in it, that bolt is residing with a star with a piece that's bolted all the way through, and instead of that spring working itself back loose within the actual spring and the spring bushing, if you start to see it bouncing up and down and moving, it's actually not only damaging and taking a risk of shearing off the bolt that is going completely through here, but it's also wallering out the hole. So this one's not wallered out, but it's also wallering out the holes of these hangers. So if you were to say, hey Dustin, you know what, we're good, we're not interested, we don't want to go ahead and have our bushings replaced, or if the leaf springs are losing their arch, we don't want to do that. Well, that's totally fine, but we are going to make you sign a disclaimer. What can happen to you is, if those bushings are worn, is now the spring has got more travel and play in it, and it can actually shear off the bolt. It can actually break off and crack these and just literally pull itself loose. If it does waller out, open those up, you would have to cut the hanger off, and if you do or do not have a V-brace, you'd have to cut that off as well. So make sure that you're paying special attention to those. A lot of the shops that are like your Schwab's or your different local tire shops, they're not checking the suspension components. So same thing if you have the thin shackle links, which we've done in other videos. The thin shackle links break all the time, and so we've got plenty of videos on there on our YouTube channel that show that as well, like ones that we've actually rolled up underneath and said, hey, look at that, it's about ready to break. So keep an eye on that kind of fun stuff. And if you have any questions, refer to our website. We have a lot of information on our website under the suspension page. We also have a lot of information regarding like the frame repairs. It describes all the different components. So if you ever wanted to learn more about the suspension, it'll tell you everything about that. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more, and we will talk to you soon. This is Dustin, your Urban Specialist, California Urban Specialist.